today on 15 on 15.
The Netherlands and Venezuela are digging and transporting gas near Aruba's waters. Plus, does ant flow impact women running performance? Also, 20 schools on the island will soon generate their own electricity with the installment of solar panels. Thanks for joining us. I'm Yentl Lieuw. A Dutch company has signed a contract with Venezuela to install gas production platforms in waters near Aruba and Curacao. Various sources are citing Seaway Heavy Lifting has entered into a new contract with Cardón in Venezuela for transportation and installation of the Perla project gas production platforms, complete with tie-in of the subsea infrastructure. The Perla development consists of 3 gas production platforms connected to the shore landing near Punto Viejo through a 30-inch pipeline. In other local news, a Dutch astronaut who has been able to capture all sorts of images in space will soon exclusively offer the artwork to auction off in Aruba. The best part is all proceeds will go to one of the local schools on the island. André Kuipers is the first Dutch astronaut to return to space after completing a mission. Kuipers was selected for the International Space Station back in 2009. On his second mission, he spent in space from December 21, 2011 to July 1, 2012. Needless to say, the Dutch astronaut has been able to see many things, and through his eyes, artwork will be auctioned off this Saturday.
All the pictures that André took when he was in space in 2011-2012, they were very inspiring. That's why we called it art inspired by André Kuipers also. He is a Dutch astronaut that is coming to Aruba, especially for this occasion.
Colegio Laura Wernet Pascal encourages everyone to support this unique cause. The event takes place April 19th at the Alhambra Ballroom. The general public is welcomed.
A bit on an art that will be on Saturday, April the 18th, from 6 to 7 preview, and from 7 to 10 you will have the opportunity to buy an art at the auction. Thank you very much.
The auction with André Kuipers is scheduled for Saturday night. On Sunday, small and medium-sized business owners can learn how to maximize their online presence with experts from Google. 2 years ago, Google partnered up with Aruba Yellow Pages to educate and inform business communities on how to enhance their effectiveness online.
In 2013, Aruba Yellow Pages was selected by Google to be an AdWords Premier Partner. And what that means is that all our reps are now qualified, they're well trained, and they can show businesses how they can improve their presence online and also how they can maximize their website's effectiveness online.
A seminar will be taking place on Thursday where a representative from the world's largest media giant and search engine will be present to provide guidance and advice to participants. The goal is to accurately detail to business owners on how to achieve tangible results from creating a strong online platform.
There's going to be Paula Petraza from Google. She actually works with Google, and she has a lot to share about AdWords and about how you can promote your business online and benefit from it as well.
Tickets for the seminar scheduled for Thursday is 75 florins. You may purchase them at participating Yellow Pages stores or Valero gas stations. Don't go anywhere, because when we return, we'll find out once and for all whether menstruation impacts females' workout performances. Also, there's more benefits to sex than we all thought. And in lifestyle today, check out a bumper car that is designed to not collide with other vehicles. Why, you ask? Stay with us to find out. When we return, check out this bumper car that is safe on the roads. Thank you for staying tuned. You are watching 15 on 15. Ronde van Aruba, one of the island's largest marathon running event, just took place. A significant amount of participants were women, and each and every one of them had to be in tip-top shape. But sometimes there are certain things we can't control, such as Mother Nature, that could make an impact. Now, the ladies out there know when flow comes to town, we are less motivated to work out. So does being on your period affect your running performance? The answer may surprise you. Researchers say your cycle can really impact your running stride. Experts chimed in that that time of the month can make you unmotivated to run due to the drop in estrogen and other hormonal fluctuations during your period. It leaves you bloated and tired, not to mention crampy. But with that being said, hitting the pavement could actually make your symptoms a lot better. That is because getting your run on releases tons of endorphins that can alleviate your cramps and fatigue. Running can also help you de-bloat. Here's a fun fact: being on your period doesn't impact your pace either. So there you have it, ladies. Mother Nature does not have an impact on your running performance, so get that mindset right back on track. Turning over to the hidden health benefits of sex. Twisting the sheets comes with a slew of body-boosting side effects. Having sex regularly can do more than make you feel closer to your partner. It can actually make you physically healthier. For one, it will give you less stress. Research shows people who had intercourse at least once over 2 weeks were better able to manage stressful situations, such as public speaking. Another benefit is sounder sleep. An orgasm can help lull you to sleep, reason being that same endorphins that help you de-stress can also relax your mind and body. And there's no more, not tonight, honey, I have a headache, because sex can actually help to minimize pain. The surge of hormones released after an orgasm can help ease any annoying ache, whether it is a strained back or a head pounder. Studies conducted have shown that half of female migraine sufferers reported relief after climaxing. Bumper cars are little, fun, and easy to drive, so it would be amazing to have them on the streets. Well, one man was able to turn a bumper car into a street-legal vehicle. Take a look. This 69-year-old man from Glasgow, Scotland, drives around a bumper car that is street legal. Bumper cars are typically smaller than the average car. This particular vehicle has all the necessary paperwork and fittings of the road. It's got working lights, indicators, petrol gauge, and can go up to 75 miles per hour. The driver has a family background in owning and operating bumper car activities at fairs, so the connection made sense for his wife and kids to buy him the bumper car for Christmas. No doubt about it, this one-of-a-kind car is an attention grabber indeed, capturing glances from everyone. Now, the car doesn't seem to have much of a backup plan for rainy days, but nevertheless, it is indeed cute and unique. Let's take a very quick break. Here's what's coming up next for you. Many variables still need to be worked out in order to have the school rooftop solar panel project up and running. The government of Aruba, together with many international and local partners, are joining forces to execute a rooftop solar panel project for an estimated 20 schools. The logistics and details of it were revealed at a recent press conference attended by all stakeholders. Yvonne Flanagan from TNO reveals a fact regarding this project to help the community comprehend the magnitude of the potential for this school solar panel plan.
All schools were perfectly suitable for solar panel. Given the area and so forth, we would have approximately a potential of about 10 megawatts. So the idea that we set forth with has potential, and maybe in the near future we will see how we can further explore the use of renovation plans of the schools to actually increase this 3.8 to, let's say, 4-5 megawatts in the near future.
There are many aspects of the project that still needs to be worked on. Finalizing the preliminary work has yet to be finished.
I think the next step is to prepare the business model and also the investment request. This will give you an overview of who is going to execute the project, how much it will cost, and it will give you also an overview of the planning.
The team still has to deliberate and figure out which partner or company will be responsible for the financing. There are many variables to be determined. The Minister of Energy reiterates what has been done already to move the island towards 100% sustainability by 2020.
The first 50% is set out with the windmill farm that we have already. The second one, the Urirama, the solar park project, the waste to energy conversion, and so on, the 20 schools. So we'll have, I think, over 80% installed capacity to meet the first 50%.
Minister de Meza says going for that other 50% will be a challenge.
The second 50% is a big challenge, as you all would know, based on grid stability, smart control management systems that needs to be implemented, backup systems, but also today we discussed the smart usage of energy, making sure installations are properly in buildings, but also the demand side management, not only the supply side management, be correctly executed. So there's a lot of work yet to be done. We have been doing a lot.
This is why it is so crucial to attract more partners and have more on board with this vision. To be able to continue executing sustainable projects like these, awareness needs to be made worldwide on the island's goals. This is where the Carbon War Room comes in. They value Aruba as a partner, and they have spread the small island's green accomplishments worldwide.
Aruba is a highly valued partner of the Carbon War Room and has been for some time. We've done a lot in terms of telling the story of Aruba to the rest of the world, and we are honored to be also part of writing that story now. We also are planning to develop and work with the government to expand its knowledge economy by providing a platform in which it can communicate and connect with the rest of the Caribbean to share those services. So there's a number of things that we have going on working with the government of Aruba, and we look forward to deepening a very strong partnership.
To go for that other 50% won't be as easy as the first half, but the manpower and vision is there to strive for the best outcome. When this plan comes to life, the future generation will be indirectly helping the island reach a very important goal. Thanks for watching. We'll be back here tomorrow night, right here on Channel 15 ATV. Be sure to watch because we have a great lineup of topics for you. We'll see you at 7:15 p.m.